Hey everybody, Chris here from the Protocase team, back with another Proto Tech Tip. And in today's video, we're going to step back into the world of plastics and talk about incorporating acrylic into your design. To revolutionize your workflow and simplify your part sourcing, we have developed a unique one-stop shop mass custom manufacturing process that's ultra-fast, flexible, and easy. Now, we do sheet metal and CNC machining for parts, enclosures, and panels, but did you know that we also stock different plastics too? To give you some background, we currently stock 3 types of plastics: acrylic, acetyl, which is also referred to as Delrin, and UHMW, or ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene. We've got a great overview of these options linked below. But for today specifically, we're going to focus on acrylic. So first, let's go through what acrylic actually is. Acrylic is a lightweight, high-impact plastic material with excellent transparency and superior weatherability. Acrylic sheets offer properties similar to glass, such as clarity, brilliance, and translucence, but it is lighter and has better impact resistance than glass. Engineers often use it to create viewing windows and enclosures. Additionally, they are useful if you're looking to achieve sharper aesthetics. We also have customers use acrylic to create illumination panels. These can be used for simulators or other electronic panels. Another use case could be if you're using any EMI or RF sensor technology or antennas inside the enclosure, like, for example, Wi-Fi. In this instance, you can use acrylic panels, as sheet metal can sometimes weaken the frequency signals. We do not install any fasteners into the acrylic, as the material cannot support a fastener being mechanically pressed into it. When we use acrylic on an enclosure, we typically install self-clenching nuts or studs into the mating metal parts to screw them into. Acrylic is also typically left unfinished so that it can retain its translucency. We have clear acrylic available with the following thicknesses and their corresponding thickness tolerances. We've got this noted on our website too. The ASTM standard thickness tolerance for acrylic with a thickness of 0.06 inches is plus or minus 6 thousandths of an inch, while for the other two, it is plus or minus 12 thousandths of an inch. When it comes to the manufacturing process, acrylic is generally milled on routers, which have a work envelope of 4 feet by 8 feet. This means that countersinks, counterbores, pockets, or similar milled features may be added. Acrylic can also be etched during the milling process, and silkscreen graphics can also be applied. Both of these techniques are going to give you very attractive results. And before we wrap up, it's also important to let you know that we can bring in non-stock polycarbonate and other plastics, as they're not fibrous. Just know that there will typically be an additional lead time for us to source these materials and bring them in. As always, if you have any doubts at all, feel free to walk through the various resource pages available on our website, protocase.com. Furthermore, you can always contact your Protocase account manager. They'll be happy to help you make the best decision for your upcoming project requirements. So folks, that's all for this week's Proto Tech Tip. Do like and share this video if you found it useful, and hopefully with the insights given in this video, you can now see clearly why acrylic might be a great option for your next design. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on our tech tips that come out every Tuesday. Until then, take care and keep on innovating.